one of my favourite fairs.
Wide range of products and also high quality suppliers.
The show just gets better and stronger.
There seems to be more exhibitors.
I saw a selection of pet stuff.
A new hall is open outside, Hall 7.
We like to get ideas and also new trends and ideas.
Really well organized and laid out.
They came here to do business seriously.
来景汉的哈，基本上就是非常精准的客户，
反正质量挺优，
抓到一些新的客户资源，选品呢也更加细致全面。